I know a little bit. My mom's been singing the native songs that my grandma gave to her ever since I was a child. My mom made a beautiful song for me and my brother. It was pretty much just like, honoring Mother Earth and honoring my mom and our names and our spirit animals and stuff like that.
Round the corner, down we go. What will our first vision show? We see the creek, black like tar, so dark you'd think you could see stars. The life in this creek has been drained and been caused pain. The only water left is that of the rain. The water here flows different, but only because of where it went, through the toxins left by the white man, and now our water tastes like sand. You have to be careful at that bend, unless you are ready for it all to end. Just be careful of where you go, because you never know where the water flows. Now as we continue on, just know that hope is never gone.
I'm from the Lac du Flambeau band of Lake Superior, Ojibwe, and I'm from the Menominee tribe.
Hickory Apache tribe.
Federated Salish and Kootenai tribes. I'm part of the Modoc tribe. I'm from the Navajo Nation.
I'm from the Navajo Nation.
Now we see a lake, grand in size. You'd think seeing it was a prize. Life on this lake is happy and light. The beauty of this lake grows by night. Here we see three rivers meet, and it's held together by a dam down the street. This dam makes our lives brightly glow, so we have no choice but to drive by slow. Now as we're nearing the end of the road, we have to pay tribute where it is owed, to the amazing earth that when as it goes, and to all the places where the water flows.